Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Witcher Tree Bow and Arrow. In the Witcher Tree Wild Hunt, Geralt does not use a bow and arrow as part of his standard arsenal. Instead, he relies on crossbow for ranged attack. The crossbow is introduced early in the game. It's primarily used for dealing with flying enemies, underwater combat, and a tool for softening up enemies before engaging in the melee. Here you can see I have two crossbows. One is a master item and the other one is a common item. Master item does a lot of damage than the common item. The other thing, Geralt does not use arrows, he uses bolts. And like the crossbow, there are different bolts also. There are split bolts and a common bolt and many more like the crossbow. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.